This is a roll of Reed's cinnamon candy. The Reed's Candy Factory began in Chicago, not all that far from where I grew up. It has a very interesting history. But what does the Reed's Candy have to do with today's upcycling project? Stick around to the end, and I think you're going to be surprised by what you see.
So if it's tossed, don't dismiss. I've got the magic. Here's the gist. Alley picked, watch me work my funky tricks. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum.
I ate a lot of candy growing up. Too much candy. You could just ask my dentist. But I could walk to any one of 5 candy stores within 10 minutes of my house. All I needed was a penny to get my candy fix. Of course, a nickel, dime, or quarter was much better. For over a century, the Reed's Candy Company was part of the American Sweet Tooth. It was founded in 1893 on the streets of Chicago by William and Eugene Reed. Trains that were used by the Milwaukee Road made frequent corn syrup and sugar deliveries to the factory located on the corner of Lakewood and Fletcher. The Reed story didn't stay sweet. Corporate buyouts, antitrust trouble, bankruptcies, shutdowns, the once mighty Chicago candy maker faded away. And yet, decades later, the candy rolls returned, revived by the new owners determined to keep these original flavors alive. Today's video is the story of a piece of equipment from the original Chicago Reed's Candy Factory that survived and ended up in my hands. This mold came off one of the Reed's candy machines. This produced thousands, maybe millions of pieces of hard candy. This gear mold, it's not very useful in its current condition, so I decided to upcycle it into a one-of-a-kind and useful candy table. As I work on this project, my mind can't help but return to those childhood days when life was so much simpler.
Nickel in my pocket, dust on my shoes, sun on my handlebars, nothing much to lose. Glass case glowing, right there by the door. I was rich as a king in that little candy store. Sweet as a nickel in a small boy's hand, sweet as the sugar on my tongue back then. I can taste those days like they're right here still. Red whips, flying saucers, candy around my neck. Sweet as a nickel, sweet as it gets. Face on the window, breath-making clouds, pointing at treasures, sorting it out. Didn't really matter what I picked that day. Every little handful took my cares away. Sweet as a nickel in a small boy's hand, sweet as the sugar on my tongue back then. I can taste those days like they're right here still. Red whips, flying saucers, candy around my neck. Sweet as a nickel, sweet as it gets. Now I'm sanding down this old reed board, oh yeah. Came from a place where the sweetness poured. Grain under my fingers, ghosts in this wood. Memory and sugar mixing like they should. Sweet as a nickel in a grown man's hand, sweet as a story only time can mend. I can taste those days when I close my eyes. Candy on the counter, laughter in the air. Sweet as a nickel, takes me back there. Takes me back there.
Well, it's been a very long time and a lot of effort just to get to this point. I have all the pieces I need to assemble the Reed's Candy Table. Let me give you a view of each of these close up. This is the base for the 90-pound candy mold gear. I had to create a little divot here to accommodate the protrusion on the bottom of the mold. I also put a bolt in the center of the base which aligns to the center of the mold. Then I picked up these 3 low-profile bearing wheels from Harbor Freight. Each wheel is capable of supporting 125 pounds. This solid oak cylinder is hand-turned on my 1981 Craftsman lathe. It's spray-painted red and decorated with labels designed by my son and printed on a Cricut machine. On the top is this swivel hardware that came off of an old stool. On the bottom, I drilled a 1.5-inch hole for the gear shaft. Lastly, on the wood top, I had to cut a recess on the underside to accommodate the swivel. I thought about making this top with a larger diameter, but I wanted it to be symmetrical with the base and also to resemble a piece of Reed's candy. Now, let's go put it together.
Look what I made. Out of candy dreams and rust, turn a working life into something you can trust. Wood grain swirling like cinnamon in the shade. Raise it up, spin it down. Look what I made. Hey, center like a roll of hard cinnamon. Little circle top, rising just for fun.
This is so cool. I have no idea what I'm going to use it for, but I don't care. It's what I envisioned in the beginning, and it's what I made.
Look what I made.